हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू गो चार्टिंग। दिस इज ट्रेडर शिवाय। सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना है तो आप नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक पे क्लिक करके हिंदी वाला वीडियो देख सकते हैं। सो लेट अस सी हाउ आवर लेवल्स परफॉर्म टुडे, राइट? सो प्रीवियसली आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट दिस वैल्यू एरिया. So there was this value area 1. So value area 1 low and value area high. This is for value area 1. Okay, and I told you that there was a bigger value area and inside that there is a smaller value area. So how did we find that? If you remember, this was our congestion area and this was the bigger congestion area. So that's how we found out the value area over here. Now let us see how these levels are performed. Okay, you see the market has started exactly at value area low and it has traveled to value area high 1 and then it has stopped almost at value area high 2. Now let us go to lower time frame and we see how you could have traded the market today, right? So this is your lower time frame chart of 5 minutes. You see, let's look carefully. What has happened? The buyers were in control, since the beginning of the day. The big delta was coming, and since the market has started at value area low, it has opened inside this value area with the big delta. So our natural trade was from the value area low to value area high. Now you see the congestion. There is a congestion at value area high. Now what has happened? There is a big delta. This value area high has broken. The market has moved up and then again a retest to our value area high level, right? Then the market has again traveled to value area high too. The buyers are continuously in control, right? So I hope you could have made a good trade by using these levels. Now, what could be the levels for tomorrow? So, friends, for tomorrow, I do not see much change in levels except this value area high too. So, let's try to plot the levels for tomorrow. Okay, now I have shifted this value area high to a little lower side. Why? Because if you see, value area high was actually above around this level, but I have shifted it to a little downside. The reason for that is, you see, this level has continuously given resistance. If you see backside also, this area was a continuous resistance area, and precisely this level over here is a resistance area. So this is how I have adjusted this level based on the price action. Our levels based on the market profile are intact. So if you see here, this is our one value area. And if you see here, we can see a good gap, right? So the market may retest these levels and then it can again go upside if it is going upside. Otherwise, if it is going downside, then we can see again market opening inside value area high 2 and then going to these levels, right? So you know how to trade the value areas. So if the market is opening inside the value area, our target will be from value area low to value area high, or from value area high to value area low. So basically we are taking reversal trades if the market is opening inside value area, and we are taking a continuation trade if the market is opening outside the value area. So friends, you can note these levels. I hope these levels will help you to trade tomorrow. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.